Good morning, everyone. I'm Alan Gabi. I am newly appointed manager of Precise Planning. Actually, just this month. Praise God for the opportunity. And I just want to share my journey with Precise Planning. First, actually, I have no idea what trading is all about. I don't know how to analyze, how to read the market. Actually, zero knowledge about trading. When I came to know about Precise Planning, at first I was very skeptical because of some stories or experiences we have heard of being a scam. But there's within me, why not try? And to make the long story short, I joined the company actually through BR. And I joined the company last March 2025. So I trade every night, and you do not need to worry because signals were freely given, and it was fun, and at the same time I'm earning money. So here in Precise Planning, you can earn money, and through this Precise Planning, through this company, our needs will be met. So I started sharing the company to my friends, to my neighbors, even my relatives. And then a little group evolved, began to grow, and it's growing. Until now, it's growing. And then this month, I was qualified. The requirements were being met, and I was given the privilege. The company approved me as a manager this month. Being a manager of Precise Planning is a great opportunity, because aside from trading every night, which I can earn dollars, I can earn money, the company will give me a financial support monthly. And then whenever I conduct orientation or seminar, the company will give me a budget support twice a month. So I consider this a great opportunity and a privilege to be part of this company, because through this we can help others, we can help our loved ones, and we can offer opportunities for them also, not just us to earn money, but when they join, they can also earn money, and their needs will be provided. So I'm very thankful that God uses Precise Planning to meet our needs, financially, and through this we can provide things to our loved ones. So I am thankful to that. Now, our goal and my goal this week is to continually share Precise Planning to my friends. Actually, I'm thankful because just yesterday we were together with Coach Jade. We were able to share with some friends. More or less, there were 20 of them gathered together, and we have the opportunity to share to them the company, and hoping that there will be a great returns with our friends there. So this week also I we'll finalize our plan to conduct an orientation next week, probably June 26. So that's our plan. And once again, thank God for this opportunity.